California GMRS network. We're going to show you how to load a SD card. I already tore it open, got tired of fighting with it. You get a adapter, because we got to use these smaller ones in the pies for our program. So put that together, and I'm going to install this in the computer. There's our SD card that we just installed, and we're going to go to the California GMRS network website. We're going to go down here a little bit, and we're going to download the file. So it says it's too large for Google to scan for viruses. Would you still like to download this file? Several people has. It's my program, and I know it works, so we are downloading it. I usually will put it on the desktop. That way I know where it's located, so I don't lose it. Obviously I got one there, so we're going to say yes and replace it. I'm running about 50 megabytes of internet speed, so that's to give you a general idea how long it takes to download. It says it's got 40 seconds left, so the faster your internet, the faster you can get it downloaded. Waiting. Sometimes it takes a while, sometimes it don't. Nine seconds is like 20 seconds sometimes. Let's see. Alright, almost complete. So we're going to open the file, and it's going to ask you want to purchase your stuff. If you haven't already done so, I don't. Anyway, in the file you have the read me first text, and I highly recommend you read this file first. It gives you information about what I am doing and how to set things up, so please read that first. Okay. You also have your Raspberry Pi image. You have the mobile extreme that I use for loading the programs and modifying the programs in the Pi, and you have the disk image application, which writes the image to the card. I already have this image, but you can take and transfer that image over to your desktop or wherever, so you have it handy, ready to go. There we go. Now it's on the desktop. So I'm gonna go ahead and close all this out. You can open it from here. I have it already installed, so I'm going to go down here to my toolbar and get it. It's going to ask, it's an unknown publisher. Do you still trust it? Yes. Okay, so let's see. I transferred the wrong thing over. That's okay. I transferred the MOBA, or the disk imager. I wanted the Raspberry Pi image, so let's move that over. Okay, so now it's the Raspberry Pi image is on the desktop. Mistakes, everybody makes mistakes. So let's see, we're going to our desktop. We're going to go get our Raspberry Pi image right here. We're going to double click that. It's going to show it in our image file. Okay, and we know we're on this particular SD card is in D drive, so we'll make sure you're in the right drive before you do any writing or anything. If you have any other external USB sticks or external hard drives or anything plugged into the system, I recommend disconnecting them so you don't accidentally try to write this program to one of them. Speaking from past experience. Okay, so I'm going to write this image to the SD card that we installed. Yes, we know it's going to erase everything that's already on that card, so we know that card's clean anyhow. This can take up to 12-15 minutes, so at this time we will pause and let it continue until it completes. When it completes, I'll be back.